What is up? It's Tommy and I'm back. So this was a 2.5 litre Subaru Liberty RX that was in an accident. It was my brother's car, it was in an accident and it's been written off. Well, I mean, not officially, but let's be real. No one's spending a couple of grand on this to fix it. It is quite bent. It is repairable really, but no one has time for that, and no one has money for that, and it's not worth it. So we're going to strip it. It's going to scrap. Still runs. The manual gearbox is fine, the diffs are fine, all the drive shafts fine. Sick. But the body's dead. So we're going to scrap it. I already have front seats out of it, and then STI seats. So, hell yeah. So obviously there's some junk I threw in here. But we are going to strip this out. I'm probably just going to cruise. I'm going to film a bit of it. I don't know how much I'll film. We'll see. But yeah, I'm just going to start stripping things out and getting into it, I guess. But yeah, if you need any Subaru parts, hit me up. I know a guy. But yeah, so enjoy the ride. And I guess we'll go to something. Alright, so I started at the front end. Obviously I got the bonnet off. That's 4 bolts. I started taking the fender bolts off because the fenders are going to come off. We got one good one, one's destroyed. The heli horns are gone. Obviously the front bumper's out. That's literally at this point. My bolt's up in here. The bolt that goes there. The clip that goes on there. I kind of destroyed one on both sides. And then there's a bunch of clips that go in here that are obviously destroyed. The front Rio. Through there is some threads. You can just see them. They all have nuts on them. I've taken all the way off. There's a bit of mangling. This will probably come off. Being as it's moved, we'll probably need a bit of a boot. But we're just going to save the nuts and bolts and stuff. Because you never have enough nuts and bolts, can you? Yeah, other than that, we're going to move away, take all the fenders off, and then start moving away back. I need to get the motor out at some point. This lovely strut brace, that'll do some things for me. Yeah, we'll get into nuts and bolts and parts, and anything anyone wants we'll get rid of, and anything that's scrap is going to scrap. But all the good stuff we're going to sell, and anything good old Evelyn can use, she can have, I guess. I don't know, whatever, we'll work it out. But yeah, at this point we're just going to start taking it apart and getting ready to get the motor and box out. But easy, hang 10, I'll take some out. Alright, we're starting to get there. So the rear's off. I'm going to get this fender or guard off. It's a very high with their loom in the fender, which is quite interesting. The wiper motor came out as well. That was quite easy. 2 bolts and a nut in the bay. I've unplugged it to take the loom out properly. The fender was literally a clip into that, a nut and bolt up here somewhere, a nut into that, 1, 2, 3, 1 at the top and 2 at the bottom, and she was out. So that's that one sorted. The other one I need to get open the door more, so I'll have to move the car forward at some point. I've got the sway bar up as well. Yeah, we're chewing through it. We're going to keep it running for a minute because I need to take some videos of it running. In case anyone wants the motor, I need to take some details out of the dash as well, and I need to be able to move it for a bit because I need to get the trailers and stuff out first so we can do all that. But we're getting there. We've got a few things undone. I did the hood latch because I ain't going to need that anymore, boys. The other ones are up too, you know, look clean, dude. Damn. So what I might do is I might jump into the boot lid. I'll get that ripped off, start getting the tail lights out because I think someone wants tail light, but whatever. It's just things that need to come off. So I'll jump into that and we'll come back to it. Alright, we're doing a whole bunch of other stuff. Like a Pied and Evelyn. sad. Is it weird?
I'm just glad it's not mine, to be honest.
But also, whoops, my bad, took everything out. It's very naked, it's weird. You've never seen a stripped car before, have you? Like at this point? It's weird, isn't it?
It's a bit odd.
Wait till it's stripped, then it's real weird. So I took a little boot lining out. We had a nice toe ball set up. That's all gone. This light came out. The Rio came off. The bumper's obviously off. It's weird, it looks naked. All the trim's here too. If anyone needs trim, there you go, Merry Christmas. It's weird. Weird flex. But okay. But yeah, I'm gonna stop doing this now. I'm gonna shower and probably eat. And get ready to get up at stupid o'clock in the morning, but that's life, I guess. Someone's got to suffer this punishment. And it's me! Just for the record, this is my car. It's nothing to do with it. Don't do it. But yeah, I guess we'll take a real short break. And start doing this again tomorrow. Yay, my favourite. But like this video, thanks for coming and make something with a gear stick.
Oh my god.
Comment
I
on
don't
this
have the
video.
fucking money.
If you think she should
I'll just,
do
fucking
things.
pull money out of nowhere. How about that?
Comment on this video if you think Evelyn may or may not be a witch or a magician and will appear to money. Definitely comment if you want to see this dog, boys. Hi, Holly. Comment on this video if you want to get sniffed by this dog. Until then, have a good night.